Hey there, welcome to ReviewRoom. Let us see how to create your first project in ReviewRoom. Once you log in, look at the left panel. This is where your current project is displayed. Just click on the project name to open the drop-down list of available projects. At the bottom of the list, click Create New Project. Now fill in the details. Let's start with uploading a project thumbnail. Enter your project name and add an optional description. Next, you get to choose who you want to share the project with. You can choose to share it with your entire organization or select Share with specific users. Now select the people you want to give access to. Once you're done, click Create Project. And that's it. Your new project is now ready. Stay tuned for more quick guides like this and visit reviewroom.studio to learn more. Bye-bye.